Gwa kahinda ka mĩaka 5 mĩhĩtũku, mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩtagwatanagio nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩgũmĩire aikari a Murang'a na njĩra nene, makĩria mũno mũrimũ wa thakame na cukari. Mĩario ĩno yarĩtio nĩ Minister wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a, Joseph Bai.
We are seeing an upsurge of non-communicable diseases, that is hypertension, diabetes, cancer, arthritis, asthma, and this has been the case for the last 5 years. If you look at the trends, you look at the indicators, you realize that especially diabetes and hypertension are really coming up. So my appeal to Murang'a residents, and especially the ones who are here today, is to make sure that they get routine checkups. Routine medical checkups are very important because they are the ones that determine that a person is having hypertension or diabetes.
Urigiti uyu ukinyeirio muingi ni kambuni ya Del Monte ino iri njira ya gucokia guoko kuri muingi uria uhanikiire cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Ng'araria Kadra. Guku kambuni ino ikiuga aria moneka marabatara urigiti makiria ni maramateithiriria gwikinyia mathibitari-ini matiganite.
Here today ukiangalia ukipita around hata tuko na pharmacy. Wale watu watakuwa identified kuwa na problem where there is an ailment, we give them drugs, and some of them we refer them to hospitals, and somehow we'll follow up to know exactly what's happening using our team. We are aiming to treat up to 2,500 people by close of a day.
Nake MCA wa Ng'araria Simon Wamweya ni oritie kambuni ingi kuoya muhiano ta uyu.
Tuteithie community ino tondu ririkane kuu gwakitwo manyumba nikuo twatuaga kahua, nikuo twarimagia tukiona ciringi ya guikia muhuko. Riu tutionaga tucokerie kanyamo na guku nigetha muhote guteithia community ino itu.
Makiria ya andu 600 ni mekwiyumiritie niguo kwamukira urigiti, makiuga maita maingi ni riria andu aingi maremagirirwo ni guthie mathibitari-ini kumana na uhinyiririku wa muturire.
Na nitukenete ni undu uria mukire andu a Del Monte mwebanga wega na mwaturehere matibabu guku gwitu. Ni thengio tondu community andu mena kuu micii ni maremagirirwo na ni guthie thibitari, angi makahuthiriria, angi makaga mbia, ona angi makaga umenyo. No riu kuma riria mukire muramba gututhomithia haria mundu ana agithie ndari na guaya tondu ni aramenya uria kurathie na mbere
na bakorwo magiukaga baingi tondu kuri andu angi bataikoragwo batari na uhoti na batakuhiriirio ni services ta icio. Koguo ni wega bakoragwo magiuka kaingi ma establish a good relationship, good neighborhood ya guku Kadra na kambuni yao. Koguo ni twakena muno.
Ngiribotera Njata TV kuma Ng'araria Kadra kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, ni Kanyoro wa Wanjiru.